Hello, this is Mark Tender with Tadlock Roofing. I'm at 4375 Pebble Brook Drive in Jacksonville. I'm here to do a roof assessment for Justin Kuhn. Justin, it's a really nice home in a great neighborhood. I really like the backyard that I got to see from above. Let me show you what I found on your roof. I've got a lot going on up here. One of the first places I stop during an assessment is here at the drip edge, and I like to take a look at how things are along the eave and how the shingle is adhering to the drip edge. Here you can see a little bit of cupping, and there's even more extensive cupping down, especially on that side of the roof. And you can tell here that it is lifting. It's lost its ability to adhere not only to the drip edge, but also the primary shingle to the starter shingle as well. It's a 6 and 12 slope roof with a 3-tab shingle. A couple of things right off the bat we can see is there's a nail pop right there, a nail pop right up there under the hip. One of the most important things that I'm seeing though is a lack of adhesion where your shingles are starting to lift throughout. So and if you just notice here too, I haven't even stepped on the roof, but you can see all the granules falling off the shingle. Those granules not only are the color of your roof, but they are also the protection for the asphalt impregnated mat. So as those granulations leave the shingle starts to bake, it starts to shrink, retracts, and it pulls up from the shingles below. So you get what we have is a lack of adhesion on your roof. So I've got 1, 2 points, 3, 4, 5, just in a spot check, along with missing shingles, 6, 7 here, a damage point, 8, another damage point there, 9, 10 at the hip, that's 11 or 10 damage points. Coming around this side, you've got 12, 13 adhesion point issues. You've got a torn boot here. There's some swales where you see these semicircles. That's where the deck is starting to drape down a little bit. Over on this side, 13, 14, 15, 16. These are just in spot checks. Another bad boot over at this point. And you can see at this boot here how it's torn. So just in this side, we've got over 15 points of damage that should be repaired where you've lost adhesion. But where it really is evident is out on this side of the roof where you've lost all these shingles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, just 15 on this side, and the rest of the roof is going to start to go as well. But here's what's happening. So as I mentioned, the granules are leaving your roof and they're starting to shake off. Then these shingles start to catch the wind, and I picked this one in particular because it's showing a crazing here where this shingle's been flopping. This will be the next one to go. When it goes, as all these other missing shingles, you're going to expose the nail heads. The nail heads then become leak point potential. And if you can see here, the rest of these shingles on up are starting to lift as well. So it's a really good thing that you called me out here to take a look at this. The roof is definitely needs to be taken care of sooner rather than later, as all these leak points will manifest themselves as water coming in the building, damaging the interior, and left undone it will have a definite negative effect on the structure. I'd like to thank you for allowing me on your home, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.